Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be completing my Sailor Moon inspired makeup series with this look inspired by Sailor Pluto. And if you are new here, I'm Joanna. I have new videos every Monday, Thursday and Saturday, so consider subscribing, it helps me so much. And just a quick note for the biggest Sailor Moon fans that are waiting for new Sailor Moon series to come out. I have done this inspired makeup series because the Sailor Moon Eternal movies were supposed to debut in September. Actually, they were delayed. So I have a little note for those of you that might be interested. The first Sailor Moon Eternal movie will be out in January 8th and the second movie in February 11. I am super excited for that, but putting that aside, if you want to see how I did this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so to start this look, I've already done my brows using the Kiko Precision Eyebrow Pencil, and I'm priming my lids with the NYX Proof It Eyeshadow Primer. And I'm going to prime both lids because I'll be doing both eyes at the same time. So Sailor Pluto's kind of color palette has a lot of black and there's a lot of dark colors. I guess Sailor Pluto and Sailor Saturn are the most kind of gothy colored palettes. So there's a lot of black, there's kind of a very dark red wine color, and there's also green from her hair that I think I'm going to try and incorporate all those three colors together in the eye look. So for this I'm going to be using the Shane Dawson X Jeffree Star Cosmetics Conspiracy palette because I think this color and also these two are very Sailor Pluto. So I'm going to start with the shade Not Effect. And for this, I think I kind of want to do a halo eye. So I'm going to start by putting this one on the outer corner. And I'm going to use this as kind of the crease color. I'm still kind of getting used to this eyeshadow primer, but I actually like it. I do think it is different from my Kiko one, but I can't really explain how. I think this one has less pigmentation, but is more sticky. So as this is my crease color, but I want to keep this look very, very dark, I'm also going to blend the edge of this with this. Okay, and that's what I want for this color, and I'm going to give it more depth on the crease but lower on the outer corner and on the inner corner with the shade My Rights Here. I'm trying to keep my eye open to do this because I want to see, then once I do the halo part, I can still see the black, see kind of where I need to put it. And I'm going to take the previous brush to blend the edge of the black. And taking just a little bit more of Not Effect to help blend the edge of the black. Yeah, I really like how this looks. Biker guy apparently doesn't. Okay, and I'm happy with this. I'm just going to do that halo part in concealer and I'll be right back. Okay, so that's the concealer part of the halo done, and I think it is mostly similar. And on the center, I want to pack the shade Illuminati because I definitely think that's similar to the green on her hair. I actually really love this green. So to blend the edge of the green, I'm going to take a little bit more of the shade Not a Fact. And also a little bit of My Rights Here. And to make this halo eye pop a little bit more, I'm gonna take a little bit just in the middle of the shade Conspiracy. Just a little bit, nothing too much. Actually, I do want to try and take a little bit of the shade Wrench. And kind of tone it down with the tiny bit of Illuminati on top again. But I do think that makes a difference. So I think this look doesn't call for eyeliner, so I'm going to be using the NYX Faux Blacks in the shade Onyx on my waterline, and for mascara, the Marvel X Maybelline Colossal. Okay, so that's the top part of the eyes done, and I am happy with it. But I'm going to be doing my base off camera and then I'll come back to finish the eye look and do bronzer, blush, highlighter, all that stuff. Okay, so my base is done and I also finished this eye. So to finish this one, I'm going to use the shade My Rights Here, very close to my lashes on the outer corner and inner corner, leaving kind of a gap in the middle. And in this gap in the middle, I'm taking the shade Illuminati. And I'm blending under these with the shade Not a Fact. So this sort of creates the same effect that it has on top. And on my inner corner and brow bone, I used the shade Wrench. On my waterline, again, the NYX Faux Blacks in Onyx and the mascara. So for my base products, I actually used exactly the same ones I used on my Black Lady makeup. I will leave that video up on the cards. And for bronzer, I'm also using the same one, that is the Revolution Reloaded in Take a Vacation, because I also want this look to be a little bit more subtle on the bronze side. As for blush, I didn't want anything too pink or peach, so I'm using kind of a brown one. This is from Givenchy. This is the Look Prism blush in Fashionista brown, but I'm not sure if this one is still available. But I think any kind of brownish or taupe blush would do the same effect. That is more subtle. But for highlighter, I want something kind of intense, so I'm using the NYX High Glass in the shade Moon Glow. This one is strong, but with kind of a wet effect finish. Okay, but then for lips, I actually have Sailor Pluto here, and even though the dark red wine color is very dominant, she usually has a lighter lip and kind of glossy one, so I was thinking the Revolution Pout Bomb in the shade Sauce, so I'm gonna see how this one looks. Yeah, I actually think this is perfect for this look. And to set it, I'm going to use the Primark Fix and Perfect. Okay, so this is the finished look inspired by Sailor Pluto. I actually really like how this one turned out. I absolutely love the eyes. I think it's very deep and the colors definitely remind me of Sailor Pluto. And then the glossy lip, I think, makes this look not be too dark, and it definitely reminds me of the lipstick that she usually wears. So this series is finished. I had a really good time creating looks inspired by all of these sailors. Let me know in the comments down below what sort of makeup series you'd like to see next. Last year I have done a Zodiac series and this year was the Sailor. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to watch. And if you like this look, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. And also, if you haven't watched the other videos from this series, or if you'd like to watch them again, I'll leave on the side the playlist for this series. And if you haven't already and you'd like to see new videos every Monday, Thursday and Saturday, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because it's free and it helps me a lot. And that is everything for this video. Thank you so much for watching.